And our HOMEE factory has focused on developing glass mosaic for about 18 years. And this is our factory. And what like we're about paving the mosaic. And let's get closer to see what they are doing. And they are paving the mosaic. Clean the top. This is our glass mosaic, and these products are finished. And we can see this, our is mesh mounted. It's mesh mounted. And we produce different kinds of products. And this is our glass mosaic, and these products are finished. This is the blue mosaic. It is shining, and its surface is rosary. And we have different kinds of mosaic, and this is our shining mosaic. This is our hand painting series, and just now I show you the glass mosaic is hand painting series. And this is the dark green color. And our workmates are paving the mosaic. And they are paving the mesh mounted, as you can see. And let's get closer to see what they are doing. This is the mesh. So this is our process. These products are finished. They are packing. They are packaged. And this is our natural box. It's white color. And we can custom other boxes for you. And if you want your logo and your color. And we can see how we can use this paper to pack our mosaic. And if you want our size, you can tell me your requirements, and we can produce different sizes of glass mosaics for you. And we can also custom other colors for you. And this is the white color. And they are cutting the glass mosaic. This is our process. and they are cutting the glass mosaic into different sizes. This is the whole procedure of cutting glass mosaic into different sizes. And you want different shapes, you can cut them different shapes for you. These products are ready to make the next step. And this is our factory view. And our factories are focused on different glass mosaic for many years. And this is our packing room. And these products are finished. You can see there are many different colors and sizes for you to choose. And this is our whole factory. So, if you want more catalog and more information about our factory and products, please tell me and we can send you more detailed information. Okay, so this is about our today to introduce the products and our factories to you.